Simple breakfast toast to start the day. However, today on Grandma Bessie's house, we are not making toast. We are making the extremely easy to make fresh homemade ricotta cheese that is spread over the toast. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. You will also need a colander, cheesecloth or coffee filters, a sieve, and a wooden spoon. But before we make our cheese, take a second to give this recipe a thumbs up and share it. Check out our YouTube channel for other fun recipes. We have lots for you to enjoy. Also, you can help our channel grow by clicking subscribe below the video. Place sieve over colander. Line colander with cheesecloth or coffee filters. Set aside. Pour milk into a pot over medium-high heat. Pour heavy cream into the pot too. Also place salt into the pot. What is your favorite cheese to eat? Let us know. Leave a comment below the video. Gather vinegar as dairy mixture comes to a boil. Once boiling, pour in vinegar. Reduce heat to simmer. Stir mixture constantly for 3 to 4 minutes. You should have lots of tiny bits of curd in the pot. Place prepared sieve into sink and slowly drain mixture into cheesecloth or coffee filters. Allow curd to drain a minimum of 1 hour. If you are enjoying this recipe, like and share it. Subscribe below and click the notifications link to know when we release new recipes. After draining, place ricotta cheese into a container. I like to separate the cheese just a bit. Cover and refrigerate until ready to use. Fresh and delicious homemade cheese. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.